Hey, this is Sean over at Hybrid Pit. Today, we just finished up wrapping a set of Zvw50 black chrome signal mirrors on a 2016 Toyota Prius. What sets this Prius aside from all the rest, aside from them having signal mirrors, is it's the first set of JDM folding mirrors in the United States. So here we have the JDM folding mirror switch that we installed with a custom bezel. Cleans up the cut lines really well. Switch lights up when the lights turn on. It's got a nice blue that matches all the factory colors in the car. And when you press the switch, it lights up, letting you know that the mirrors are folding in. When you press it again, it unfolds the mirrors.